And normally this is like super early for me, because I would wake up at like 12, but we baking! Ruffy hand, which it's not even a reveal anymore. He already showed you.
Yeah, I already showed you on that Elon video. Wait, so I got two mummies back to back.
Yeah.
Gonna go well, or is it gonna be a disaster?
There's a cat there. Oh my god, I got distracted. We add in the flour, or just.
No.
Oh.
Nah, kita.
We add in the flour.
I swear, I wish it like holds.
We add in the flour. Finally, actually. Get it all in there.
I know. Oh, look, all of it went in.
Yay! Let's go.
Let's make sure that.
All the way. Let's go.
Okay, boom.
All right. There's a cat. There's a cat over there. Shut. There's a cat over there. There's a little kitty over there. Oh my god, it's so cute. Bro, this mixer loud as fuck. Well, instead of having multiple footage to stitch together, I kind of just pause it every time I need it to. But
I kind of don't like the soft pocket because I'm not sure if it's recording or not. I like to keep it separate. Bro, what about the bits on the side?
Oh, we should have bought the spatula.
Yeah, save it out with a spoon. Alright.
Look at the dough.
It's mixing.
Let's go, baby.
The dough is doughing.
The dough is doughing, baby. Also, if you're any of my teachers, hi. Sorry for swearing. It's kind of what I do. We're doing the rounding right now. My brother's doing a really good job.
My teacher said I have way too much movement when I do the rounding. So why not go a little extra, you know what I'm saying? Make sure it's round and everything.
Stop shaking your ass.
Oh fuck. Let me put some
Get oiled up.
Get oiled up, yeah.
Get oiled up, bro.
Don't worry, I will get oiled up. Look, what's this?
Bro, he's getting oiled up for real, for real. Chat, this crazy.
Oiled up. Make roti canai. Yeah, this is too oily actually. Fuck.
Look at that.
Too oily, too oily. I always make roti canai. Fuck. Fuck. Alright.
I'm rounded. Ah.
Why you shaking your bum though? Why you shaking that ass?
Shake that ass, shake it.
Just a little more. Yeah.
Just a little more.
Yeah, just a little more. It's fine. Look at this one. It looks built like roti canai. Okay, round few more. And then I am recording.
Yeah. This is what we do at school, except I do a much worse job because everyone in my class are better than me. Except for the tiny one.
You might want to say that right in front of the camera, remember? Oh, tongue is like moving much. It's trying to not move my tongue. It's hard. You might want to get all up. Oh, look, another roti canai. Roti canai too. Related to Boogaloo.